How's it going, everyone? Daniel Singh here. I'm at Masai Studios here in Sydney, checking out the Noble bass preamp and DI, brought to you by G-Sus4, who are the world's first dealers of the Noble Preamp. So if you're in Australia and you want to step up your DI game and you're a bass player, please check them out. They'll sort you out with one of these, and this is an amazing unit. I've had the pleasure of spending a few weeks with this thing now, and I've been blown away by how musical the EQ section is. So let's check out this preamp. It has a volume control, which controls just the 1/4 inch out, perfect for stage monitoring situations, or when you're in the studio with a cab and you want to hear yourself a bit better. There is a boost-only bass EQ set at 150 Hertz. The treble is set at boost-only as well, set at 3.5K, as well as a low cut set at 90 Hertz, which cuts 6 decibels for every octave below 90 Hertz. It has also, which is really cool little feature here, 6 inputs to power effects pedals as well. So all 9-volt outs, which is fantastic. You don't need a power supply anymore. As a bass player, you know, I don't like to add too much EQ. It's only really when I need it, but this is the first EQ section that I actually really love, that I think is really musical and very usable as well. Often, if anything, I'm cutting bass because a room is too boomy or the mix is quite busy. But actually, hearing the Noble Preamp with the bass boosted makes me not want to hear my bass without it, honestly. So I've really enjoyed that. So I'm going to run you through some of my favorite settings on the Noble Preamp, and I'll put the settings on screen as well. I'm playing my Fender Custom Shop 1960 precision bass strung with nickel strings, running through the Bergantino rig over here as well for my monitoring purposes. Hope you find this helpful. Enjoy. Thanks so much for hanging around till the end. I hope you found those playing examples helpful, just going through some of those tones there. And honestly, if you get one of these, or if you have access to one of these, you'll realize that the EQ section is so musical. There's not really a bad setting on this unit. I find it to be very transparent, very warm, and honestly, I don't really want to hear my bass without it now that I'm kind of tuned to the Noble sound. So a big shout out to Masai Studios for allowing me to film this demo here. A big shout out to G-Sus4. Please check them out if you're interested in picking up one of these. And also to Bass Gear Direct, who have supplied me with the Bergantino rig that you see here as well. All the best, and please leave a comment or a question. If I can help you and if I can answer anything, I'd love to do that. Thanks so much.